I've been into sports forever. My father is a college football coach. Myself and my little brother were kind of brought into the world with the football and baseball in our crib. I would say what motivates me has evolved. Recently, I've definitely been on a more honoring some gifts that I've been given lately, whereas when I was younger, I just never wanted to lose. I like CrossFit because I think it does an awesome job of testing so many different realms of fitness. I first started taking Driven 5 to 6 months into CrossFit, got a little deeper into nutrition and training, started to incorporate Driven's products within my nutrition plan. My favorite product is Driven's post-WOD. It's got a huge bang for your buck return as far as what's in the product and what it can do for you. Driven is my go-to just because I trust the people behind the product.